Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how to make this beautiful lace. For this you need to make multiple of 3 single crochets. You can make 18 or 21 and make 2 more extras. Single crochet, make this round the whole single crochet. One single crochet, turn around, another single crochet. Now make 9 single crochet. Double treble crochet into the 4th stitch. Three single crochet now. And make single crochet into the same stitch. This is how it looks like. Make 2 more single crochet. Now repeat the process. 9 single crochet, and double treble crochet into the 4th stitch. Now 3 stitches and single crochet into the same stitch. Two single crochet, repeat. It looks so beautiful. You can make with different colors. And it can be used for various projects like pillowcases or tablecloth. You can use this as an edge. It will make those projects so nice and pretty. Thank you for watching.